Hello, Blaine Gray here from Plastering for Beginners, and today's subject is all about the plastic trowels. And this is a little experiment I ran. I ran this video yesterday, but it didn't show me laying on. And I've always wanted to see what's the big crack with laying plaster on with plastic trowel. I never done it before. I never tried it, so I thought I'd just do a little demo really, just to experiment what it was like. And as you can see, I've just got myself a Delehedy trowel here. Cracking trowel. You know, they're the original brand behind who started the PLAZIFLEX trowels in the first place. So they started this whole plastic revolution, if you want. So I'm just giving this one a quick go laying on with it. And this is, like I said, the first time I've ever done it. This is, you know, quite green, quite different way of me laying on for plaster. This is my second coat, as you can see. Starting from the edges. And my mix has gone off rapid in this video. These to the left of me, there's a window that's not been put in place. It's all been left open. It was a windy day, so the plaster's gone off really fast. So as you can see from the video, it's pretty solid. But still, this plastic trowel makes it so easy to spread, despite how hard it is. And as you can see, it's making it easy work of it. You might have seen I did mess up a bit there. I caught the wall. That's just because I wasn't really used to using it, but even after using it a good 2 minutes in, I realised it is quite nice to use just for laying on really. So again, as you can see, starting from the bottom, working up, and it doesn't leave much lines. I'm used to back troweling on myself, but I don't know if it's to do with the slight flexibility of it. I'm not sure, but this design, in particular design from Delehedy, makes it really easy to apply the plaster with. And you don't really have to work at chasing your lines out behind you. You're literally just troweling up. And as you can see, I'm not leaving anything behind really. It looks almost flat from the get-go. But there is one thing I had to look out for, is I did have to pull my trowel off to back trowel on myself, just to smooth if there was any lines. I found it can stick to the walls a bit. You can create a bit of suction, but I think that's just because I'm not used to it. And I did pull the plaster, which is what you've seen before. But other than that, it is really nice to apply just using a plastic trowel. As you can see, no real ripples left behind. It's easy to get right from the beginning, which is what I'm quite mad into anyway. I'm not sure if I'll ever replace my Marshalltown. I love that trowel, and to be honest, I love laying on with that. But for anyone who's starting out plastering and might be struggling to, you know, get the walls flat from the beginning, I'd say this is something serious to consider, because it does make it a lot easier. It does take the work out of it. It takes the stress out of it. Even though, despite this mix being, yeah, to be honest, almost gone, I'm still spreading it like it was a normal mix. It did make light work of it, which is what we're after really. And no, obviously if we're doing this day in, day out, it's going to hurt sometimes, and this plastic trowel has definitely taken some of the stress out of it. So hats off for Delehedy for making a decent product there. It just, yeah, it's just easy going. I enjoyed using it. Like I said, I don't know if I'll change. I think I'm going to stick to Marshalltown, but preference-wise, I think it's always good to keep an open mind about these things, and I might give it another go in the future. We'll see. And I think I would consider it. I'm going to see how it goes, take my time with it, but I might start laying on second coat. I don't know, we'll see how it goes, but for now, it's a great trowel to use, and it is a solid piece of kit. Definitely recommend for someone who's trying to get a flatter coat at the beginning stages. This is an ideal product. It does make it a lot easier to do that. This second clip, I'm showing you a plastic trowel, and I'm showing you I'm finishing with this, with the Refina concept now. This is a PLAZIFLEX, and I've had this trowel for about 6 months now. It's nicely broken in, and I find finishing with a plastic trowel actually makes such a difference. My finish just comes up just 10 times better than what it would with steel. I find it's matte finish, always leaves it smooth. I find working with the edges with a plastic trowel really nice as well. Say if you've got a bit of residue from corner to corner, like I'm working with an existing wall to the right there, I just find it's a lot easier to get rid of the old plaster when you scrape it back. And especially when I'm cross troweling with this, it just leaves a lovely finish. It is a cracking piece of kit. So these plastic trowels, especially for finishing, is where they really come into their own, I find. I've not had a finish from steel like I do with plastic trowel, so I'm heavily converted on that. That is one thing I do all the time now. I always do the final trowel with plastic. That's just the way it's gone for me. That's one thing that I won't change. I'm still breaking the Delehedy in, so I'm going to give that a full review soon in terms of finish as well. I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, this is something, if you're taking your finish, if you take your finish seriously, I think this is something I recommend trying the plastic trowels for the final go over, because it just gives it that final polish, and that you don't need any water. I've not used water once here. It doesn't pull, it doesn't drag, it just makes light work of it. And to be honest, you don't need to put any pressure on at all. There's no pressure on your joints, nothing on your wrist. It just makes easy job. So okay, occasionally I have to clean the plaster off, but I've not used a water brush once, and I really don't with plastic. I don't recommend it either. If you are using plastic trowel, don't use water on your final polish, because it sticks and you'll get suction. So just keep it dry. It doesn't need any water, it doesn't need it at all, and it just makes a cracking job of your finished work. So if you are thinking about plastic, I'd recommend it for laying on, but especially for your finish. That's when it comes into its own, really. That's where I'd say you need to give it a go. And if you haven't before, try it, see what you think. It's not for everyone, I realise that. I have realised that some people are stuck in the ways, which is absolutely fine. If you're good at what you do, why change it? But if you are intrigued to give it a go, then I'd definitely recommend it, because if you try it, you'll realise how good your finish can be, really, with the plastic over the steel. Again, just my opinion, and I have had a few comments saying why change it up. I'm just testing, I'm just trying these things out just for reference, really. I'm doing these videos as another idea, another way of plastering, if you like, just to give more options to the people out there. So this is Blaine Gray, Plastering Beginners. It's my review on the plastic trowels and what you can do with them, why you should use them, and I hope to see you in the future. Thanks a lot. If you like the video, please like it and please subscribe. Cheers. Bye.